understanding acute respiratory tract infection. Symptoms, causes, risks, and prevention tips. An acute respiratory tract infection is a sudden infection affecting your nose, throat, airways, or lungs. Common symptoms include cough, sore throat, runny nose, fever, and sometimes difficulty breathing or chest pain. Viral and bacterial germs cause these infections, spreading easily through coughs, sneezes, or contaminated surfaces. Young children, elderly people, and those with weak immune systems are most at risk for severe infections. Upper infections affect the nose and throat, while lower infections involve the lungs and lower airways. Prevention matters. Like and share this video for more easy-to-understand health explanations everyone can use.